I am thrilled to welcome you to Innovation U. This is an extraordinary partnership between FastCompany and Arizona State University. The kind of insight and access to ideas, strategies, and innovation that you'll see today. It's really a collective gift from FastCompany and ASU to the alums.
The alumni, which should be a majority of you, could you raise a pitchfork? Let me know you're here.
It's important to me today to a degree, arm you for battle with some practical tools that you can use in the months and years to come.
Talking about innovation is so important today because we are living in a world of faster and faster change.
The entertainment industry is for nearly 100 years the process by which people created content and then distributed was the same.
One thing that I've learned now in 29 years in business is that too often we tend to overestimate the risk of trying something new, but we underestimate the risk of standing still.
We believe we have the highest rated transportation company in the world with enough ratings that it matters.
The reality is every organization has untapped capacity for innovation.
We are finding a lot of innovation and excitement in what folks would call second and third tier cities.
Just really getting to see leaders in their fields really just kind of explain more about where things are currently in the state of their industry as well too, and have that kind of encompass being in an environment with fellow alumni. It was a really great experience to really hear in a present day kind of fashion.
If ASU were to take this on the road, I would love to attend because networking was pretty cool. Outside of the meetings, it was pretty cool and it brought people from all vast of life together. So yes, I would definitely follow and travel just to come to this event.